Welcome to Indian Institute of Technology, Kanpur. Nesting on the banks of Turner Ganga, IITK was established in 1959, which makes it one of the oldest IITs of the country. Let's have a glimpse of this vibrant campus. It's an amazing campus with pristine greenery. Spread over an area of about 1100 acres, IITK is one of the largest campuses of the country. So, bicycles might be your first friend here.
The place where you're gonna meet Rancho and Silencer of your class. Yes, this is our lecture hall complex. There are 20 lecture halls and a tutorial block. Each lecture hall is well equipped with modern audiovisual aids. The air conditioning here can make you doze off more easily in between engrossing lectures.
This is P.K. Kelkar Library, named after the first director of the institute. It houses a rich collection of over 3 lakh books and 17,000 journals, ranging from arts to sciences.
Tired of studying in library? We have a CCD next to it. Serving all its products at 40% subsidized rate, it provides a refreshing environment for the campus jungle. After all, coffee and friends make the perfect blend.
Research highlights the contribution of any institute towards country's development. Each department has a state-of-the-art equipment facilitating a large talent pool of high-level researchers. Also, collaborative interdisciplinary research is highly fostered here. IITK grooms budding entrepreneurs through SIDBI Incubation and Innovation Center in association with the Small Industries Development Bank of India, which facilitates practical application of knowledge for public use.
Now we are inside the computer center. IIT Kanpur was the first education institute in India to offer computer science education and to have a supercomputer of its own. Computer center provides round-the-clock high-speed internet access to the whole campus community through 1 Gbps dedicated internet.
Now we are in front of Faculty Building. As the name suggests, this building houses offices of most of the faculty members, Dean of Student Affairs, Dean of Resources and Alumni, etc. It's a gigantic 6-story building which offers helicopter view of the entire campus.
This is Student Lawn, one of the coolest places in the campus. It is a hangout place to utilize time between lectures to study, ideate and conduct discussions.
Academic pursuits have no bounds, nor it is curtailed by geographical barriers. This is Office of International Relations, which facilitates and encourages long-term collaborative and exchange programs.
There is no sport equal to that, which aviators enjoy while being carried through the air on great white wings. Right now, we are at the flight laboratory of IIT Kanpur. IIT Kanpur has 3 single-engine airplanes, namely Piper Super Cub, Piper Saratoga, Cessna Skyline, and 2 Swiffer gliders. IITK, being the only educational institute in the country to have a runway of its own, provides a joyride facility for students and visitors to have their flying experience. Right now, I'm going to have my joyride. Make sure you have yours when you visit the campus.
There is a great tradition for sports at IITK. Institute provides world-class sports facilities which offer students an outstanding platform to showcase their sporting skills. We have a wooden badminton court and table tennis court, squash court, football and hockey ground with floodlights, lawn tennis court, basketball court and many more facilities.
We have 8-lane Olympic-sized swimming pool, which can provide you an excellent environment to cool off you after your hectic day of classes and labs.
We are in front of the Student Activity Center, also known as SAC. As the name suggests, it is a hub of all the extracurricular activities. It houses the clubs of the students' gymkhana.
IITK fosters all-round development of a student. We are at the Senate Hall. Student Senate runs under Student Gymkhana, which comprises of various multi-activity clubs, inculcating leadership and managerial skills among the students.
The main attraction of Student Activity Center is the open-air theatre with a seating capacity of over 1400 people. Wanna watch movies? Wanna enjoy live match screening? This is a perfect place to be.
Day or night, you don't have to worry about your empty stomach, as we also have food court here.
Auditorium, a place where you will see plethora of events ranging from orientation to convocation. This place has witnessed almost every student on the campus. It has a sitting capacity of about more than 1200 people. Apart from the main auditorium, we also have an outreach auditorium.
In the pursuit of achieving the all-round development of students, various cultural and technical fests are hosted throughout the year. Antaragni is the annual cultural festival of IIT Kanpur, inviting participation from more than 200 colleges. Udghosh is the annual sports fest, witnessing nearly 3,000 participants. And Techquity is Asia's largest technical and entrepreneurial fest.
If you need anything, you don't need to go out of the campus, as we have 3 shopping complexes, which includes banks and restaurants too.
Health Center is committed to promote the health and wellness of the campus community by providing special services such as pathology, ECG, physiotherapy, ambulance and emergency services round the clock.
Now comes the turn of home away from home. We have 12 hall of residences for boys and 3 for girls. Each hall provides excellent facilities such as TV room, reading room, computer room, music room, gym, etc.
A place where you can come anytime and put things off your chest. The Counseling Service House tries to ensure the welfare of the students by providing them emotional, academic and financial assistance.